This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, Netflix is up $163, okay? Off of their earnings report. And I'm going to tell you guys something. While it is impressive, I don't think it justifies no $163 upside in after hours trading. In my opinion, this is absolutely ridiculous. But let's look at the numbers. They have over 302 million subscribers globally. They picked up 19 million new subscribers in Q4, which is great. This is the most they have ever done in the history of the company. The most they ever done in the history of the company. The Mike Tyson and Jake Paul brought in 108 million viewers, okay? And the NFL games brought in an additional 30 million viewers. I mean, they are making money. I'm not saying they're not making money. They are killing it. And because of these numbers, they have decided to raise the price of all their services. The lower tier one from $7.99 to $8.99, and the top tier one from $22.99 to $24.99. And while a price increase is justified because of these numbers, I don't think $163 rise is justified. And I'm going to tell you what I think. The shows are going to lose their damn minds. I believe there's some people on the inside who knew that Netflix would be running. They knew what the report was going to be before it was released to the public, and they probably loaded up on call options, loaded up on shares in order to balance out their margin requirements, okay? And because they had to balance out their margin requirements, then they programmed the algos to push Netflix up $163 in one day. This is not normal. I believe this was manipulated by bad actors who bought a whole lot of call options, a whole lot of Netflix shares, because they knew that the report was going to come in good, and then they programmed the algos to run Netflix up to $163. And let's beg the question, why wasn't anything halted? Where were the halts? Where were the halts? AMC moves a full dollar. It is halted. GME moves a little bit. It is halted. Somehow Netflix ran up $163 with no halt whatsoever. When I tell you guys that this market is manipulated against retail investors, against pension funds, against institutions that follow the rules, this is further evidence of that. You think they would let a stock that was majority owned by retail investors, pension funds, or institutions that follow the rules to run up $163 in one day? Impossible. Impossible. It would have been halted 20 or 30 times by now to stop the momentum. But somehow, stocks that these bad actors are long in, stocks that I believe they knew about the good report before it came out. And then they jumped in, ran the price up, and they all made a killing. They're laughing all the way to the bank right now. Absolutely crazy to me. But do I believe put options are warranted? And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell Netflix, buy, hold, or sell put options on Netflix. But $163 rise, I see a pullback coming. I see put options on Netflix. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think they would let a stock that was majority owned by retail investors to run up $163 in one day? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.